think that maybe the beauty of technical analysis is once you've learned the skill of it, once you've found your comfort zone within technical analysis, you can apply those rules across any market really. And the key to it possibly is finding the time frame that suits you best, and therefore the market movements that suit you best to those time frames, to the technical analysis you're applying. I think the theory of the technical analysis works the same. So support and resistance, I think interestingly, a lot of our clients will look at old lows, old highs in those indices markets. I mean, obviously, just recently the Dow Jones has been making continual new highs. It's quite hard to pick what the next level it's going to stop at. But as the market retraces, quite often we're looking at old points at which the market stopped at. And I think that's one of the more popular technical analysis skills used by our client base. I think entry points, I think people put a lot more thought into the entry point than they do necessarily into the exit point. So quite often the entry point is quite well thought out. You know where you know why you're buying. As I said, maybe you picked it off an old low, you picked it off a technical analysis, you picked it off a general a view of a round number. The Dow's got to 1500. I think that would be a good level to buy it. So a lot more thought goes into the entry. I think maybe part of the skill is learning to think through the whole trade and work out what your target of that would be and at what point you think that trade has gone wrong. So the exit point I believe is probably as important, if not more important, but I think a lot of people spend a lot more time thinking about the entry point than the exit point. Yeah, so I think, as I said, recently, certainly over this last year, we've seen a switch really towards indices being the main focus for a lot of the clients that we have. So a lot of our more successful traders are trading on the indices markets. Again, I think one of the biggest problems is over trading in an early stage. You have to be able to. It is a learning process. So it's a continual learning process. I think it's no matter how long you've been in the market, you'd be foolish to think you've learned it all and there is no more to learn. So it's a continual learning process. But particularly as a starter out in the market, is maybe over trading or over extending yourself on those first few trades.